Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on Facebook posts. So first of all, if I just open my Facebook application, as you can see, and now if you want to turn off comments on your any Facebook post, so you have to go to your profile. So tap on your profile icon and tap on your name to go to your profile. So let's say this is the post I want to turn off the comments. So what you have to do is you just have to tap on these three dots and you will find this option who can comment on your post. As you can see this option, so you just have to tap on it, and now as you can see these options: public, friends and established follower, friends, profile and pages you mention. So if you tap on public, anyone can comment on this, or if you choose friends and established followers and people who have followed your page for more than 24 hours, only those people can comment. So if you want that nobody can comment on this post, you just have to select this option, profile pages you mention, and then you just have to tap on this done, and now you have turned on comments on this post. No one will be able to do comments on your post. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.